Hello there. Welcome to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make, and this is a twist, so open your mind, please. Okay, we're going to make some buttermilk ranch cornbread. Buttermilk ranch dressing cornbread. Yes, I'm going to take this buttermilk ranch dressing and put it in the cornbread, and oh my goodness, you're not going to believe the taste. If you like ranch, let's start putting ranch on a lot of things, starting with this cornbread. Okay, so give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe. Let's do it. Thanks. Okay, I have 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix. And this box is 8.5 fluid ounces. Okay. Now I'm going to add 1 egg. I have 1 egg. Okay, so now we're going to add our buttermilk ranch dressing. So normally you would add oil, like olive oil, to the bread, right? Cornbread. And so this ranch dressing is made of oil and mayonnaise, alright? Because mayonnaise is made from oil, correct? So you can see it's not too far of a stretch. And the purpose of this exercise is to open your mind on the possibilities of things that you might want to try. Okay, I have a 1/2 cup measure here. 1/2 cup. And it's coming out slowly, but it's coming out. Okay, I have my 1/2 cup. Okay, now I need some liquid. You can see it's in there. Everything is pretty thick, right? Okay. So now I'm going to add some milk. I'm adding a 1/2 cup of milk. A 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. Now I'm going to get my pan to put it in. I'll be right back. Okay, before I put the cornbread in the pan, I decided to add some more buttermilk. This is powdered buttermilk to enhance the flavor, so that we have buttermilk on top of buttermilk, okay? So I'm going to put 2 heaping tablespoons, 1, 2 of this powdered, it says cultured buttermilk blend, okay? It's a powdered buttermilk, okay? That's going to really enhance that buttermilk flavor. Okay, I oiled my pan with olive oil already. Okay, that's what we're looking like. Okay, so I'm going to cook this in the oven on 400 degrees until it is brown. And I'll show you that when it comes out. And before I put it in, let me give you the word of the day. The word of the day. The word of the day is start incorporating flavors that you like and add it to a dish and make your own creation. If you already like that flavor, chances are that you may actually like it in your dish that you're going to make. You never know until you try, so give it a try, okay? So the word of the day is explore with the flavors you like and see how you like it, okay? That's the word of the day. Okay, I'm going to put the the buttermilk ranch dressing cornbread in the oven. Okay, that was a tongue twister. I had to think a minute. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, our buttermilk ranch dressing cornbread is out. Look at that bright, nice color. Huh? Okay, so you follow me on the next video. I'm going to show you how to make turnip greens with white sweet potato in the pressure cooker, okay? Alright, thumbs up. I don't want to cut it because it's still hot and it'll break up. Share the video and subscribe. Thumbs up. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here's our turnip greens and white sweet potatoes, and this is my delicious buttermilk ranch dressing cornbread. Buttermilk ranch dressing cornbread. So follow the video before this one and you'll see how I made the cornbread, and give that a try. Okay, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take a taste real quick. Okay, turnip green and white sweet potato. One second. Okay, so let me taste the turnip greens. The white potato. Buttermilk dressing cornbread. Mmm. Wow. It all tastes delicious. Oh, home run, guys. Home run. Okay, thumbs up. Share the video. Subscribe. Love you. Bye-bye.